Hi, it's John here from the Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy. I've received this practice hand from Amazon. I noticed they've spelt acrylic wrong. That's interesting. Okay. It says it includes 100 pieces of tips as well, and on the other side it's got some information here about what's actually in there, and it gives you some ideas of why you need one of these hands. So let's have a look what it's like inside. So let's try and look in it. Okay, yeah, put it here. Let's have a look. Is that the right way up? Oh yes, right. Okay. So here's our nails. Are they different sizes? Yeah, there are some different sizes in there, which is quite useful. And they are not that really dark brown colour, although they're not pink as shown on the actual box. The only place I found that you can get the pink ones, which are actually pink, is from Essential Nails, who are the originators of these hands. They're the only ones that you can actually get the really nice pink ones, which I prefer, but never mind. Well, because this one was not expensive. I think it was about £18. So let's have a look how it compares to the actual original, which is about £100. Let's have a look. Seems quite well made. We've got the rotating wrist again, which is quite important. So you can turn it right over. And you've got this bendy. Oh, that's quite good actually. Okay. And the thing here, you've actually got a clamp, which is metal. Some of them are actually plastic, and you know, they're more likely to break. So this is quite good. Okay, so let's just click it onto this side of here. Let's tighten it up. Underneath here, I'm tightening it up. Let's have a look how tight it is. Oh, actually that's quite good. So you can actually move it round like so. And these come out like this. And usually you can pull these off as well. You can probably buy the spares for those. And then they go on and you just click them into place. Oh, it doesn't seem to want to click. Actually, let me have a look. That's not very good. Oh, I see. The actual thing inside here is not opened out. Let's have a look at that. Try and get that more open, because it clicks into that little piece there. Let's try again. Oh, there you go. So you click it twice and it goes click, click, and then that is then secure on here. So all the fingers are flexible, and they really are really good for practicing your nails on. But at £18, it's really, really cheap. But it looks very well made, so I could recommend this one. This one here is in fact one of the originals. It's Essential Nails nail trainer, and you can see it's got the pink fingertips, which I do really prefer to this brown, but you know, and again they're just exactly the same. The plastic on the finger does feel a little bit different, but it's okay, it's fine. But as regards the operation, it's just no difference at all. Exactly the same. Imagine the patent run out on them, and so anybody can make these now. But this one was about, well, I will put a link to this actual one, and you'll see the difference in price is unbelievable. So that's a nail trainer if you need to get one. And this is John signing out from the Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy.